हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। मेरा नाम स्नेहा है और आज हमारे साथ शांतनु सिंह है। ही इज़ इनटू टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री एंड ही इज़ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर और ही इज़ पैशनेट अबाउट गिविंग एक्सपीरियंसेस टू पीपल। और आज हम उसी चीज़ के लिए यहाँ पे बैठे हैं टू नो एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डॉक्टर पीयूष वर्मा जो हमारे साथ हैं और आज यहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। So, sir has done PhD and he has done a lot of research under occupational stress and वही आज उस बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Also, he has been doing a lot of wellness programs under stress management for a lot of people and from last 35 to 40 years. So, he's going to share his experiences also about his experience here in Vista and overall. So, let's tune in.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Shantanu. Thank you, Sneha. This is my first visit to Vista. In fact, my son keeps coming here, and he praises things a lot. So he was telling me from last so many months that you have to come here. So this is my first visit, and I really liked it. It's a wonderful visit for me. And not that it's a wonderful place. It is because there are so many activities which relate me with my work which I have already done. Particularly meditation exercises, yoga exercises, and trekking around the mountains and trekking on the road. It was wonderful. So that was a great experience for me. And as far as programs of wellness are concerned, yes, I was involved in conducting wellness program for last 40 years, doing researches in this area. And these researches were basically on the transformation of one's life, how we look at our life, and how we can make a perceptible and sustainable change in our life. So that was the thing which I used to carry along in my training programs. So this is how I was doing it, and my stay here is really wonderful. And I also learned that you are conducting programs for corporate on different themes, and young people, younger people, and even older people you are doing programs. So I think that will be a great idea. People coming here and doing things, doing things. I have done activity here, laughing exercise, meditation exercise, and some kind of different kind of meditation. It was really great.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing us with your presence. Sir, do you think is there any difference when we doing any meditation or yoga practices in the cities and as compared to the forest or mountains or nature? Did you feel any difference?
Yeah, lots of difference, because this is the ambience which makes a difference. Particularly, this is a bounce of energy available here. In cities, in urban localities, the abundance of oxygen is not there. Here we have abundance of oxygen, abundance of nature, abundance of energy, where we do these programs. And when we are conducting these programs, our heart and soul together connect with the nature, and that is how we really relish it, through the mind, to the body, and to the soul.
That's great. So, sir, if I may ask you, so why do you think people should come here, according to you? Even because you know it's not so easy to come here. Because it's a little bit of trek that we have to do to come here. Yes, we do understand that nature is something which we want, but it's also difficult to get here for some people. So, since you have come at this age, so will you encourage other people as well of your age, or
Definitely not even my age, younger to me. Because see, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड नंबर 2, जो चीज़ मेहनत करके पाई जाए ना, उसका संतोष, उसकी खुशी, उसका जो एक सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है, वो बहुत रेलेवेंट होता है. तो यहाँ आने के बाद नेचर के बीच में बैठ के कुछ पाने का मतलब, हम जो कुछ भी पाते हैं वो अपने आप में बहुत यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस होता है. एंड दैट यूनिकनेस कैन नॉट बी कंपेयर्ड विद एनीथिंग आउटसाइड हियर. So that is the way I look at it.
Yeah,
But sir,
beautiful way of thinking about it.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन,
Yeah.
आप पहले भी बहुत सारे स्टेज में रुके होंगे फॉर श्योर,
Yeah.
और आज आप यहाँ पे हो, तो आपको क्या डिफरेंस या फिर आपको ऐसा कुछ लगा कि यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा डिफरेंस है जो आप एक एक्सपीरियंस, जो हम जैसे एक्सपीरियंस ओम हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं कि हम लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस दे पाए मोर देन जस्ट अ स्टे, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपने यहाँ जो एक्सपीरियंस किया तो ये कोई डिफरेंस है जहाँ आपने एक स्टे किया कहीं पे भी इंडिया में या बाहर?
I moved in and out of the country to almost all these states. But the greatest difference I find here is we are sitting amidst the Himalayan range, and the bounce of energy. The moment you enter the property, you feel the bounce of energy. And apart from that, एक जो connectedness है ना नेचर के साथ, वो इतनी वाइब्रेंट है और इतनी क्लोज होती है कि आपको लगने लगता है यस, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द चेंज इन माई फेस. मैं कल आया, परसों आया था यहाँ पर, थका हुआ था, आई हैड लॉन्ग जर्नी, बट स्टिल मैंने ट्रैकिंग की, मैंने मेडिटेशन किया, मैंने योगा किया, एंड विच नॉर्मली आई नेवर डू व्हेन आई एम गोइंग फॉर प्रोग्राम. कहीं कंडक्ट करने जाना है, कोलकाता जाना है या अहमदाबाद जाना है या रायपुर जाना है, कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि जाने के बाद में ये थोड़ी एनर्जी लगे. तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंस. यू आर राइट कि यहाँ पर है बाउंस ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड इट इज़ द एक्सपीरियंस शेयरिंग. आई थिंक वन मस्ट कम एंड एटलीस्ट एक बार एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज एक्सपीरियंस शेयरिंग हियर.
जी,
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you all.